Second row seat folding. Second row bench seat is of 60:40 split configuration and has a foldable armrest. Caution: 60p seat folding. Pull the recline lever, located on the 60p seat, right side. 40p seat folding. Pull the recline lever, located on the 40p seat, left side. Second row seats can also be folded, using remote lever, located on side trims of the luggage compartment. Open the tailgate, and pull the remote lever located on the side trim of the respective second row seat. Caution: